Breaking news coming in. Superstar Rajinikanth has been admitted to Apollo Hospital in Hyderabad after his blood pressure fluctuated. Remember, Rajinikanth is in Hyderabad for the shoot of his next film, Anathe. And the shoot was suspended after 4 crew members tested positive for the virus. Rajinikanth, though, has tested negative, but he's been hospitalized at the moment. There are some blood pressure fluctuations is what we're picking up at the moment. Akshay Nath breaks the story, who will be joining us in just about a bit, getting us all the very latest in terms of the Apollo Hospital's health bulletin as well. We will be going to her to get us more on how Rajinikanth is holding up. Akshay Nath joins us now. Akshay, what really happened to superstar Rajinikanth? He was shooting for a film. Some of the crew members tested positive for coronavirus. He tested negative, but there are some fluctuations in his blood pressure. How is his condition at the moment, and what does Apollo Hospital doctors have to say about it?
Well, Chaiti, superstar Rajinikanth has been shooting in Hyderabad for the movie Anathe, which is scheduled for release next year, and he was doing the final schedule of the movie, and the shoot was conducted in Hyderabad studios. And between the shoot, it was found that 4 members of the crew were tested positive for COVID-19, and soon after, superstar and his close aides who were there at the movie shooting spot had all tested, and thankfully it was reported that Rajinikanth was not positive for COVID-19 and he had isolated himself. And during the course of this period, it was found that there was a very severe fluctuation in his blood pressure. Because of that, he was taken to Apollo Hospital, and it was found that he had complete exhaustion and also fluctuation in his blood pressure. So they are kind of monitoring the situation, and he will be discharged once he is more stable as far as his fluctuating blood BP is concerned. And for now, the hospital has said that he's hemodynamically stable, and this is just an observation period for superstar Rajinikanth at the Apollo Hospital. We need to remember that on the 31st of December, Rajinikanth had said that he will be making that massive announcement about his political entry. So all eyes are on the superstar and his health condition, and also the details on whether the 31st event will go as per plan or not, Chaiti.
That's right. In terms of his politics as well, there has been a fair amount of delay in his announcement of his political party as well. His health has not been doing well, and even now, adding to this, his health is not doing well even now. Do the doctors say that he's going to be stable very soon? Is it going to deteriorate further? And how does this pan out in the overall course of things, given the fact that he needs to start his groundwork now for the Tamil Nadu Assembly elections?
Well, Chaiti, it seemed that the Apollo Hospital officials have in their press release said that he's hemodynamically stable, and they're only observing his fluctuating blood condition, and they're trying to stabilize that. And also, similarly, they're also trying to give him enough rest because there has been complete exhaustion. He has been continuously shooting for Anathe for the last 10 days, and he was doing round-the-clock shooting so that he can complete the entire schedule and then head to Chennai for launching his political party. And as you said, it is a very late launch, but that again is because of COVID-19. Rajinikanth, while talking to the media a couple of days earlier, had said that he had every intention to go around the state, do a ground level work before launching his political party, but all those plans was hindered because of COVID-19. And now he's just confident that the people of Tamil Nadu who are looking for a political change will stick with him. And already his Rajini Makkal Mandram, which is his fans association, for years together have been doing welfare activities. And so the hope is that those welfare activities will be remembered by the general public, and from January onwards, active work for his political party will begin, is what we are getting to know from our sources. And on 31st, if as per schedule everything goes, then Rajinikanth will be making the big announcement. But this COVID scare that has happened to his crew,
and now
the concern about his health.
Thank you for joining us with the very latest details. We'll continue updating you viewers about Rajinikanth's health as and when we hear from Apollo Hospital's medical bulletin. For now, superstar Rajinikanth been hospitalized in Hyderabad. Akshay Nath with that report.